Welcome to another Grow to Cycle tutorial video. Today I just wanted to let you guys know about the new about something I'm doing for my students for the garden club, but also something that I've been doing for myself. Really easy, nutritious and simple way to get some fresh sprouts. So one of the easiest things you can grow. Get a jar. You don't need to go out and buy one of those fancy lids for $20 or $10. Even buy one secondhand. All you need is a rubber band and a piece of Chuck's cloth. Really simple. So basically you save a jar from whatever, let's say you have some olives, even peanut butter, you can use a plastic jar if you want. Take the jar, make sure you wash it out really well, because seeds, mold or bacteria do not, and moisture do not mix, right? Anyway, you get your jar, you get your seed mix. So here's my sprout mix. Sorry, it's upside down, but this is Mr. Fothergill's, which is really cheap, like $4.50 or something for enough sprouts to keep me going for a month easy. Get your packet of seeds. You want to use some scissors, cut off the corner. Just pour it in. Pour in maybe, I don't know, I would say a good at least 2 or 3 tablespoons. The thing is, you're going to have to look after these sprouts for a week. Water them. You have to change the water every day. It's not a whole lot of work, but you don't get a whole lot of volume out of the amount of work you do. Even that much, you know, even just changing the water once a week, you end up with about a handful of sprouts. Now, I'll tell you what, these are the tastiest veggies I've ever eaten in my life, and they're extremely nutritious. But for a handful of sprouts, you might as well go heavy. So I would suggest you want to use as much as you can. So even that's not enough, but yeah, that's about a tablespoon. I'll just open another pack, but I'll do that when you're not you know, off camera. But yeah, you put it in about 2 tablespoons. You get a piece of Chuck's cloth, and all you do is you just place the rubber band over the top. And trust me, yeah, at first I was just going to use a plate or some other surface, and I wasn't going to bother with putting on a porous membrane over the top. But the amount of time that you'll waste cleaning up the seeds and doing all that other rubbish, it's not worth it. You're better off just getting a seal, so something like a rubber band, or even, you know what, if you don't mind, just go out and buy a $10 lid. But trust me, you want something that you can pour the water out with, because you have to change the water every day. But anyway, I will show you the results next week after they sprouted. Have a nice week and stay smiling. I'll catch you later.